In a small village lived a smart but shy boy named Ollie. He loved reading and writing, but there was one thing that always scared him: English. Whenever Ollie opened his book, a question came to his mind. Will I ever be able to learn English? Day 1. First step. One day at school, Ollie said to his teacher, "Ollie, sir, I want to learn English, but I am afraid." The teacher smiled and replied, "Teacher, don't be afraid, Ollie. English is your friend." Hearing this, Ollie felt lighter. He thought, if English is my friend, then learning it will be fun. Open Book Day 2. New words. Ollie took his first step. He started memorizing simple, everyday words. Book, pen, teacher, friend. He kept repeating, "This is a book. This is a pen." Slowly, the words began to stay in his mind. Day 5. First sentences. Now the teacher said, "Teacher, Ollie, try to make sentences." Ollie thought for a moment and said, "My name is Ollie. I go to school. He is my best friend." The teacher clapped happily. "Excellent! You are learning fast." Day 10. The big change. Ollie had gained confidence now. He said to his friend Ahmed, "Ollie, Ahmed, let's talk in English." Ahmed laughed. "Ahmed, really? Can you speak?" Ollie smiled and replied, "Yes, I can. Let's try." Both of them started speaking in short sentences. Sometimes they laughed, sometimes they felt shy, but every time they became a little better. 1 month later. One day, the principal announced that there would be an English speech competition tomorrow. Most students were nervous, but Ollie said to himself, "This is my chance to show my hard work." That evening, Ollie stood in front of the mirror and practiced again and again. "Good morning, everyone. My name is Ollie. I love learning English." The next day, when Ollie walked onto the stage, his hands were shaking. But as soon as he spoke, "Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends," the whole hall fell silent. Everyone was surprised to see Ollie speaking English so fluently. When his speech ended, the hall filled with loud claps. For the first time, Ollie felt like a true winner. Moral of the story. Ollie's story teaches us that, to learn English, or any language, you must practice daily, step by step. Fear is only in the beginning, but courage grows with effort. Words, sentences, practice, success.